Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It is also helps the students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Nagpur location. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for sales executive position from Probich Technologies located in Nagpur, Maharashtra. These are the responsibilities and the skills needed for this position. Interested candidates for further details, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 7875006677. Next, HDFC Bank is hiring for the position of Operations Executive REO. It is located in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Please check with the responsibilities and with the job description provided here, and interested candidates for detailed information you can visit this website link provided here. Next, there are some job vacancies from IIM Nagpur. They are hiring for the position of a junior executive. One vacancy is available for this position and the salary is not disclosed. 3 to 7 years of experience is needed with any graduate, and the last date to apply for this position is 26th February 2021. Selection will be based either written exam or interview. So interested candidates, for detailed information you can visit this website link provided here. Next, same institute is hiring for the position of junior executive assistant. For this position, one vacancy is available. Salary is not disclosed. 3 to 6 years of experience is needed. Education qualification will be any graduate, and last date will be 25th February 2021. So interested candidates, to apply for this position you can check on this website link. Next, HDFC Bank is hiring for the position of RRB IRM service position. They have provided here the job description. Interested candidates, please go through it once, and for detailed information you can click on the website link provided here for detailed information. Next, CISR National Environmental Engineering Research Institute is hiring for the position of Project Associate 1. For this post, 8 vacancies are available, and they are going to offer a salary is 25,000 rupees per month. Freshers can also apply, and the candidates who have graduated in BTech or BE, MSc, ME or MTech. So these candidates can apply for this position. Last date to apply is 19th February 2021, and interested candidates, please check with the information provided here, and you can click on the website link provided here and get more detailed information about this position. Next, there is a job vacancy for SMSPC payment business. It is from HDFC Bank located in Nagpur, Maharashtra. They have provided here the job description, and interested candidates you can apply to this position through the website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for sales and marketing coordinator position from Vaibhav Plasto Printing and Packaging Private Limited located in Nagpur, Maharashtra. They are offering a salary range between 15,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. And these are the requirements and the skills needed for this position. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for detailed information. The phone number is 9607040644. Next, there is a job vacancy for field sales officer position from Salazar Alloy and Steel Industries Private Limited located in Nagpur, Maharashtra. They are offering a salary range between 15,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. 1 to 2 years of experience in retail or field sales is needed for this position, and these are the roles and responsibilities required for this position. Interested candidates, you please check with the information provided here, and for detailed information you can contact them with the contact number, that is 9175930774. Next, there is a job vacancy for telecalling officer position from Lakin Private Limited, and it is located in Nagpur, Maharashtra. They are offering a salary range between 15,000 to 25,000 rupees per month, and the candidate should have excellent verbal communication for this position, and you please check with the information provided here, and for detailed information you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 8788213653. Next, there is a job vacancy for business associate position from Illuminati organization. So it is located in Nagpur, Maharashtra. They are offering a salary range between 15,000 to 45,000 rupees per month for this position, and these are the roles and responsibilities required for this position, and interested candidates for detailed information you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 8379885570. Next, there is a job vacancy for digital marketing executive position from Probich Technologies located in Nagpur, Maharashtra. And these are the skills needed for this position, and these are the responsibilities required, and interested candidates, please you check with the all details provided here, and you can also contact them with the given phone number for any queries. The number is 7875006677. Next, there is a job vacancy from HDFC Bank. They are hiring for the position of RBB BM service located in Nagpur, Maharashtra, and these are the responsibilities required for this position, and interested candidates for this position, how to apply and all, you can check on the website provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for market research executive position. It is for fresher candidates from the lead market TLM. It is located in Nagpur, Maharashtra. They are offering a salary range between 1 lakh to 1,20,000 rupees per annum. And coming to responsibilities and the duties, candidate has to do prospecting for their clients based out in the US, Canada and Australia. Data needs to be updated on Google Sheets daily, executing campaigns for clients, identifying leads and introducing them to clients. So these are the responsibilities and the duties needed, and please go through with the information provided here, and for detailed information, and you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 7122985758. Next, there is a job vacancy for RBBAH corporate position from HDFC Bank located in Nagpur, and this is the job description. Interested candidates, you can check in this website link for detailed information. Next, there is a job vacancy for social media executive position from Lock-in Private Limited located in Nagpur, Maharashtra. And interested candidates for this position, you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this position, and the number is 8788213653. Next, there is a vacancy for marketing and sales positions for MBA candidates. It is from Rock Softtech Private Limited located in Nagpur, Maharashtra, and they have provided here the requirements and the responsibilities needed for this position. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for detailed information about the salary and the qualification details and all. You can approach them with the phone number, that is 9890179021. Next, there is a job vacancy for production supervisor position from Salazar Alloy and Steel Industries Private Limited located in Nagpur, Maharashtra. They are going to offer a salary for this position is 25,000 rupees per month. Education qualification will be BE or BTech or Diploma in Mechanical Engineering or relevant branches. So interested candidates, so please check with the all the information provided here, and also you can also contact them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 9175930774. Next, there is a job role for receptionist or administration assistant position from DR BVG City and MRI. So it is located in Nagpur, Maharashtra. It is for female candidates only and should have a vehicle or live close by. Shifts will be 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. These are the timings, and flexible and rotational timings. 2 holidays in a month. So you please check with the information provided here for this position, and you can also contact them with the given phone number for any queries. The number is 9373108337. Next, there is a job vacancy for business associate position from Illuminati organization, and it is located in Nagpur, Maharashtra. They are offering a salary range between 15,000 to 45,000 rupees per month. And these are the responsibilities and duties needed for this position, and interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for detailed information. The number is 8379885570. Hope this video will help you a lot for finding a job. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.